It's a setback for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. After Arvind Kejriwal approached the Supreme Court seeking relief, the court has decided to not grant him any relief at this point of time when it comes to Liquorgate. His judicial custody has been extended till the 23rd of April. The court noted that as other accused in the case are in judicial custody till the 23rd, Kejriwal's custody can also be extended till then. Now, the agency sought custody for 14 days. They were granted custody for 8 more days. Appearing for Arvind Kejriwal, senior counsel Abhishek Manu Singhvi argued that Kejriwal's name was not mentioned in the FIR and the ECIR and 8 charge sheets between the CBI and the ED. He argued that the object of arrest post the Model Code of Conduct is to disable Arvind Kejriwal from campaigning. The Supreme Court refused to grant bail or permission for campaigning. This is what happened earlier today, and we have our legal editor Harish joining us. It's another setback coming in. First, it was the High Court, Harish, and the observations of the High Court were very, very scathing. Today, a similar point was made by Arvind Kejriwal's counsel, but there's no relief for Arvind Kejriwal. So all those points made by the Aam Aadmi Party that this arrest is illegal, the courts of this country do not seem to be buying it, and here we are talking about the highest court of India.
Yes, that's right. The same bogey of political vendetta, political vengeance which was already rejected by the High Court, was once again raised by the senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who had appeared for Kejriwal in the court today. Remember, the High Court had said that the ED cannot be blamed for choosing the time of the arrest because the last 6 months we had got 9 summons. If we had cooperated in the first summons itself, perhaps this situation would not have arisen. In fact, Kejriwal once again raised the argument that this arrest is nothing but an attempt to defame him, humiliate him ahead of the Lok Sabha election, and also very significantly to disable him from the political campaigning ahead of the Lok Sabha election. Abhishek Singhvi pointed out to
like you said,
Justice Sanjeev Khanna said
like you said, that this is a setback coming in despite the political vendetta bogey being raised once again. Bhagwant Mann also reacted. He in fact met Arvind Kejriwal. He came out and made a dramatic statement. What did he say? Listen in.
जो हार्डकोर क्रिमिनल होते हैं, जो खतरनाक अपराधी होते हैं, उनके वाली सहूलतें भी नहीं मिलती। मतलब क्या कसूर, क्या मतलब अरविंद केजरीवाल का कसूर क्या है? तो आप उनको ऐसे ट्रीट कर रहे हो जैसे बहुत देश का बहुत बड़ा आतंकवादी पकड़ लिया हो। 1 to 1 एक कमरे में बिठा के वो मुलाकात कराते थे। आज शीशे के पार जैसे बहुत बड़ा कोई हार्डकोर क्रिमिनल जो है वो बैठा हो सामने, शीशे के पार फोन पे बात करवाई। मतलब हद हैरानी की। मोदी जी चाहते क्या है? मतलब ऐसे ये ट्रीटमेंट मिलेगी क्या?